connection gives us the spark of life. It drives us to find people with the same mind, deepen our understandings, enrich our lives. Great things happen when we devote ourselves into the greater things than ourselves. Greenstar, a parallel universe based on virtual reality. It challenges our vision in an unprecedented way. Find the future among infinite possibilities. Expand the imagination boundary of mankind. A borderless world. A world that technology enhances humans but not limits humans. It allows new ideas to be created out of nothing. More methods of immersive games. Enable the virtual energy to be converted to the real trees. New methods of education and study. New ways of cooperation. Explore somewhere we've never been. And new ways of creating things. When you change the way of viewing the world, you will see a different world. Greenstar. It is jointly sponsored by Green Department, Worldwide Fund for Nature, and Friends of the Earth. It originates from an interesting non-profit experiment. This green plan was proposed as early as 2013. Through integration of Internet of Things, digital twins, and mixed reality, create rich digital models of physical objects, form the digital twins, and predict the future of the Earth through AI simulation and analysis. Create an experimental environment which is similar to the real world through the twin Earth. Move all of human activities to the virtual world. Simulate a true future experiment. Obtain the data which is close to the real environment. Apply the simulation results into the real world finally. Provide real experimental data to Green Department, Worldwide Fund for Nature, and other institutions. Realize cost decreasing and benefit increasing for the environmental protection process of the real world. Greenstar, it is building a second world of human, a vast parallel universe. You can obtain a special experience between the real and the virtual. Party, work, study, play, shopping, and creation. You can do anything that you can imagine. Obtain a deep sense of immersion. In the next 10 years, Greenstar will cover 3 billion people and carry trillion US dollar scale digital business. Provide employment opportunities to millions of entrepreneurs and developers. Share achievements with global participators. Green Lab, the core R&D department of Greenstar. It is engaged in research of human life, research of outer space, research of environmental engineering, and research of virtual ecology. The department will invest hundreds of millions of US dollars in 2022 and will invest more in future. Green Lab is purchasing several VR content production platforms. It is taking actions in VR game and cloud game field frequently to master an enormous amount of VR game resources. This is an important part of Greenstar content. The first tree planting game of Greenstar is in progress of opening. An environmental reform game of planting trees in virtual desert and promoting a change of desert to oasis. In version 1.0, the function of planting trees is opened. Every player can enter the ecosystem freely, experience the ecological change resulted from human behaviors as you are there. The player can join the great undertaking of forest planting and realize the target of Greenstar. Continuously increase more interesting models. Greenstar will be upgraded to a wider green game universe. Build the largest entrance to the virtual reality at the soonest. Greenstar, keep the maximized asset value for ecological builders. Provide future potentials to developers in a way of bound. Carry more technology pilots with virtual reality game as the carrier. Ensure the option of more tests, various economic regulations, governance, fund management, and organizations. Finally achieve the target of harmonious coexistence between human economy and nature.